Crazy baby sale! Crazy baby sale! Hey guys! So, we're here now sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami. And just before na ayusin ko yung mga napamili namin, I wanna show it in a haul. Kasi sobrang dami kasi. Sobrang dami naming nabili sa aming crazy baby sale. Crazy baby sale today. So, let's get started. I just wanna show you kung ano yung mga deals na nakita ko doon. Okay, first of all, in no particular order, eto, meron akong nabili na para siyang flashcard / puzzle. Dati siyang 50 pesos, ngayon 30 pesos na lang siya. Ayun, nakalagay. So, this is a really nice toy for River. And another toy na na-pick up ko is this one. It's only 50 pesos. This is a shape sorter. So, ito yung mga lalaro natin ng mga bata pa tayo na different types of shapes. And then, ilalagay natin. Tatry mo siyang ilagay sa loob. So, this is only for 50 pesos. For 50 pesos. The next item that I bought is this one. Ito talagang hinanap ko siya kasi hindi ko siya basta-basta nahanap like sa regular drugstore or something. This is Baby's First Tooth Gel. This is by cottonbuds. This is only for 85 pesos. Ang regular price niya is 109 pesos. So, baby safe ito if maswallow niya man to or whatsoever. Yan nakalagay dyan. Na it's safe to swallow, 3 months plus, stage 1. Kasi guys, ever since na nag-start na si River ng kanyang baby foods, oh my god, medyo ano na, meron na siyang baby bad breath. Kaya this is a must and I'm so happy na nahanap namin to doon sa baby crazy sale. Crazy baby sale. Crazy baby sale. Salbabida. Okay. This salbabida is for a baby. Meron siya yung parang tawag dito, parang siyang lusutanan ng paa niya. So, this one is for a maximum body mass of 11 kg. Oh my god, malapit na pala si River. So, ano siya, nakasale siya 560 from 829, 560 na siya. I needed to get this one kasi we are going on a trip very soon and we need pang water stuff na River. And then I also got this Cetaphil Essential Baby Care Bundle. Ito, gusto ko to kasi merong maliliit na travel size kasi since we are going to travel next week, magagamit namin to. This is for 695 pesos. And ano siya, isa siyang body wash, daily body lotion, and then meron ding baby shampoo, and moisturizing bath and wash. So, maliit na body wash din. So, I think this is sulit na. Walang nakalagay ng before price, pero naka-red tag siya na naka-sale siya. Last video ko, some of you commented na mas maganda yung Mommy Poco na blue na diaper. So, I went out and looked for one, but I didn't find one. But then, I saw this Moony Man. Sabi nila, this is also part of Mommy Poco. I don't know. Kasi katabi siya ng Mommy Poco ng mga diapers. And this one is specifically for a male baby. Kaya, Moony Man yung pangalan niya. So, I got this one at, original retail price niya daw is 1,599.50. So, 1,600. So, ngayon, 799. Nakalagay nga dun parang na siya, parang buy one, take one na siya. So, I got 2 of them, guys. Let's try this. Kung talagang iba talaga ang diaper pag lalaki ang anak mo or kung girl, I don't know. Pero, let's check it out, guys. Okay naman siya. So, I got one in large. Ayan. So, grabe yung savings, no? Almost half the price. Kaya nga sinasabi nilang crazy baby sale. Oh my gosh. And isa sa mga things na we always use as mommies and sa baby whenever we take care of them is the baby wipes. So, ito, trinay ko ulit I bought this one. It's called Cycles Sensitive. Free of alcohol, ammonium, compounds, triclosan. So, yeah, nakakatuwa siya. So, this is buy 2, get 1 free. Save 149 pesos. So, for the 3 of them, I paid 268 pesos for the one. Purest wipes. I actually tried this brand before. If you see my video, yung what we got for Baby River's binyag, isa to sa mga gifts na natanggap namin. Si River, nagising. So, isa to sa mga gifts na natanggap namin. And I tried it and it's really nice. That's why I got one of them again. Have them. Okay. The next item that I'm gonna show you guys is wait lang. Oops. Nahulog. Tignan mahulog. Okay, the next items that I'm gonna show you guys is baby cotton buds. Iba siya sa regular cotton buds, mas maliit siya. I actually always use a baby cotton buds for River para sa paglinis ng ears niya. And I got this one na nakabundle siya in 2. It's 150. It says na regular price is 199. So, nakatipid tayo ng 50 pesos dito. Yes! Crazy! Crazy savings. Crazy big sale! Okay. So, next item that I bought is this one. Pinakita ko to sa vlog earlier. Ito ay rash guard for baby. Medyo mas malaki siya. Pero, it's gonna be helpful if we ever go, if we go island hopping and all. And may kasama siyang briefs. Ang cute, no? Meron na siyang briefs. And meron na siyang para hindi ma-sunburn si baby. So cute. Sabi dito, it's 50% off. So, from $5.99, so I guess we paid na lang nito, $2.99 for this set. Swimming set for baby boy. And next items that I'm gonna show you ay galing sa Ginger Snaps. Ito talaga yung parang Ginger Snaps, maganda talaga yung mga clothes nila for boys. Kasi being a mom of a boy kid, ang hirap nilang hanapan ng clothes na parang suit sa taste ko. Kasi ang more na options na makikita mo is pang girls. So, iba't ibang styles and designs for baby girls. And yung sa baby boys, when you go to a department store, napaka-sad ng selections. Just like 2 or 3 items ang available for the girl. Case in point, this swimsuit ng SM. They had so many swimsuit for girls. Pero, oh my gosh, yung pang boy is just this option. So, sa Ginger Snap naman, gustong-gusto ko siya na brand kasi they have so many fashionable na mga items for baby boys. So, just look at this. Look at that! Cute, diba? Pang beach shorts ni Baby River. And, though they are really pricey, I'm so glad na kasali sila sa Crazy Baby Sale kasi at least naman, nabawas-bawasan ang price nila. So, from 499, naging 375 pesos for this Hawaiian-inspired shorts. And also, I got Baby River from Ginger Snaps, a t-shirt. Tingnan mo naman, oh. Para siyang, ang cute, diba, ng colors? Lakas maka-millennial. Baby millennial. Oh my god, it's so cute. So, this is, regular price niya is $399.75. So, sale na lang siya for 250 pesos. So, I really bought this one for our upcoming trip. So, watch out kayo sa vlogs. Coming soon ang aming beach trip with Baby River. And, that's it for the baby stuff na I bought. Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli si Mommy. May nakita akong shop dun, guys, na it's very, very useful for us, mga moms na breastfeeding. And, ito ang nabili ko sa shop nila. The shop is called KP Baby. They sell maternity and nursing items na fashionable and very cheap, guys. Akalain mo yung regular price na nila to. So, for this one, for this blouse, actually, nakita nyo sa vlog ko kanina, sinukat-sukat ko siya doon. Right. So, for this blouse, diba? Meron akong pang simba, guys. Ito yung sinukat ko kanina. It's only 299 pesos. And maganda yung material niya. Para siyang, hindi siya yung madaling, tawag dito, hindi siya yung madaling nagugusot ba or something. I really don't know what you call this material. Pero hindi siya cotton. Pero, lang siya, very light. Made of very light material na bagay for the Philippine weather, guys. So, this one, this is a blouse. Yung sinukat ko kanina, yung pink one, pero I opted for this design kasi napaka-cute niya. So, ayun. And, dali niyang ibuksan if ever man mag-breastfeed. Bukas lang ng ganyan. Chuk! Chak! Strike anywhere. Strike anywhere blouse. Pwede to. And, I also got the dress. Yung sinukat ko kanina sa vlog na dress. Ito yon, 299 din siya. Yan yung price niya. Diba? I like this color. I don't have a blouse with this dress with this color yet, so really like this one. Siya, may garter siya sa likod and ganyan siya sa harap. And kung magpapa-breastfeed ka, akyat mo lang ng ganyan. Oh, pak! Awesome, right? So, okay din yung length niya. Mini dress. If yung pinamili nyo po ay nakaabot ng 3,500 pesos, bibigyan po kayo ng freebie ni Baby Company. So, all you have to do is show your mom card and then you will get this freebie emoji power bank. Cute niya, diba? So, this emoji power bank, so cute and useful para sa pag-charge ng ating mga gadgets while on the go. So, this is what you get if yung napamili nyo sa event na ito is umabot ng 3,500 pesos. So, good luck guys! Sana makaabot ng 3,500 ang yung mga pinamili at makatipid kayo sa mga deals na nandoon. So, that's it guys! That's all of the items that we got from the Crazy Baby Sale today at Baby Company. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure that you are subscribed for good vibes. And I will see you guys on the next video.